Yan guys, nilalagay na niya yung ating toilet.
Turning on water. Let's see if it leaks. And then we'll buy the cover to cover this next time, and we're good to go. Okay. And it's filling up. It looks like. Okay, everything has got to come out now. We're done this.
Ayan guys, na-install na yung toilet bowl natin. Let's go.
Yeah. It looks like it's almost full already. It's pretty fast. But this one is running on the pretty big main line, so.
Sardan na pa?
Yeah, the float here. Once it hits the spot, you're good to go. And all too much. So we gotta either go down a little bit. We need a screwdriver. That's too much. But oh.
Oh, good job.
Okay, and there's no leak, no
No leak,
nothing.
no nothing.
And there's no leak here. Good job. Nothing. Perfect. But we'll just have to adjust this one. Because it was putting too much water.
Ayan, nailagay na yung ating tiles, yung ating cabinet, tapos yung toilet. Napinturahan na rin siya guys. Nailagay na rin yung ating switches dyan. Pero ito, lalagyan ni handyman ng cover yan kasi kailangan ng dalawang outlet magkabilaan. Tapos yun, para sa ating mirror na may ilaw. Tapos yung ceiling niya guys, natapos na rin. Pipinturahan na rin siya ng puti. Tapos, ayan na yung bathtub. Ang hindi pa natapos guys ay itong ating wall dito sa bathtub kasi naghahanap pa ako ng tiles na ilalagay dyan. Although, nalagyan na siya ng waterproofing tape. Ito, ng waterproofing tape na siya. So, yun na lang ang ating kulang dito sa ating washroom guys. Tapos, nakabili na rin tayo ng ating mga handles at saka yan. Tapos, yung shower head, hindi pa namin nilalagay pero andito na siya. Ang kulang na lang ay yung tiles nga na nandito. Tapos, lalagyan ni handyman ng isang ilaw doon. Malapit na guys. At ito naman yung linen closet guys. Hindi pa tapos. Pipinturahan pa dyan. Tapos lalagyan pa ng pintuan. So, stay tuned for more updates guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!